Hi guys, welcome to Tata Play Ben's YouTube channel. My name's Ocean.
And I am Dhananjay.
And today we are reacting to Sonic the Hedgehog 3's second official trailer. But before we begin, Dhananjay, do you want to tell everyone part 1, part 2 का थोड़ा सा context just to refresh everyone's memory?
Okay, Sonic 1 में Sonic went to Earth and he lives with Tom, जो उसका best friend है अभी. In Sonic 2, there's a new character called Tails, जो उसका best friend है. Second part में Knuckles was the villain and Knuckles अब उनका दोस्त है. So this is the whole story अभी तक की. I am very excited for this.
Here we go! Showtime!
What is this den of madness?
Are you Detective Pikachu?
He does look like a Pokemon! Pika Pika!
They mentioned Pikachu. Okay, wait. I'll tell you something.
What? Get down!
It's time, Shadow. Finally, we will have our revenge. But what good is a dastardly plot if you can't conspire with family?
There's 2 Eggmen now?
Double your villains, double your fun.
I love Jim Carrey.
Nice magic marble, real scary. That actually is real scary. Trick shot. Tom, Maddie, we need your help on a super... Knuckles, do you mind?
Oh, excuse me.
Tom, Maddie, we need your help on a super dangerous top secret mission.
We're in.
Are you ready?
We were born ready.
Listen, Tails के jet से इस बार.
All right,
Oh wait.
boys, try and keep up.
Come on, Granddaddy-O. We've got
Dirt to do.
with Shadow's power.
We can rule humanity.
When we're done, there won't be anything left to rule. That is dark.
Somebody better call Google Maps.
Life's all about the choices we make. Remember to listen to your heart. You're gonna make the right choice when it matters the most.
One head out to another. Who does your highlights?
The more you talk,
They gave Tails a gun and a bike. Okay.
This ends now.
our destiny awaits. You were right about one thing. This ends now.
Sold. Completely sold. Okay, so मैं ना Sonic पे geek out करता हूँ. So I'll tell you some information. मैं क्यों इतना excited हो गया था. The first thing first, they mentioned Pikachu in this. एक rumor चल रहा था कि एक detective Pikachu, Mario and Sonic का universe बनेगा. But now they have mentioned Pikachu in this. So rumors might be true.
That's very like Marvel-ish. Like I cannot even imagine what the collaboration would be like.
Yeah,
That'd be
seeing
insane.
Pikachu and Sonic in one frame might be crazy.
That would like blow the box office off. Also, I noticed that there are times where you got really excited to
Yeah.
के बीच में like वो jet वाली चीज पे like
Yeah,
what's
so
that?
Tails got his own jet. Tails usually क्या है अपने tail के साथ swing करता है. But जब jet में he goes super saiyan mode. So like I got really excited. But then the main thing I really got excited about कि they give Shadow a gun and a bike. And
Yeah.
by the way, if you have played the game, you know अगर Shadow के पास अपनी bike है और gun है, he's the most brutal villain you will ever know.
And just because you mentioned the game, and to people who are sort of new to this, I just want to like tell you guys about that. This comes from a video game. Like this was a video game before, and now they've turned it into like a movie series, and it's a very classic example of media में एक term होती है transmedia storytelling, which means कि कोई media product exists in one form, and then they recreate in different forms, and then they take the storyline ahead. So जैसे for example Sonic है, so now अब इसका series है, इसका merch है. Of course, with all these films, there's always like a nice message at the end. Like I did notice कि there is a dialogue that says if you know the choices that you're making will
Yeah.
define who you are, like listen to your heart. And I'm sure that Shadow also has एक layered character है, उसकी भी एक back story होगी. What do you think about
Yeah, I saw a shot जहाँ पे वो किसी लड़के के सामने से हाथ लग के खड़ा हुआ था. So I think it's his past story, and I think they have
makes
given
sense.
a layer to it.
That'd
And
be
always excited to see Tom with Sonic again, and I'm just excited.
And his donut shirt, I did notice that. That was like the most eye-catching thing.
Yeah.
Also, in the end, there is like a Christmas reference. So obviously, they're pitching it as like a Christmas movie, which is always fun. Like I always love Christmas references in films because there's always an element of fun there.
I think it's a blockbuster.
Yeah, we're very excited to watch it. We hope you would be very excited to watch it too. If you guys enjoyed watching our reaction to the trailer, please let us know in the comment section. बता दो comments में कि next time किस चीज़ पे react करें हम लोग. And like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that the next time we're on the channel, you get notified. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.